Hello everyone, I'm KB from Famo, and so today video I will show you how to replace your battery for your rain gauge from Famo, and this is our product, the rain gauge. And first of all, you need a screwdriver, the highlighter, and the new battery, and put it on the side. And then this is a rain gauge, so it has a top lip, the body part, and to open the top one, just twist a little bit. Twist a little bit and then just open it. And this is the body part. So this is how I hold it like this. And when you take it out, just be careful. So please don't damage the wire. When you take it out, yeah, just take it slowly. And then there are another two holes here. Just take the screw out. And so this is the inside of the rain gauge. So so this is the original position of the battery and the holders and the motherboard. And first of all, just unplug the old battery and then use the highlighter to mark on the old one. And then just take out on the screw of the holder. And then put the old battery on the sides. Then this is the new battery, so put it in the right back the right positions like this. And the holders at the original position. See like this. And then just screw it in. Then remember to plug the cable back to the motherboard. And you can see here, you see the LEDs flash on. It's the green color. And then when you put the shield back to the original position, remember don't like get caught up on the wire. Just make sure that all the wire is inside the motherboard. See here, inside. There's no wire inside. Then just put the body part back to the positions. then the top leaf. So the final, and that's it. So this is the end of the video to show you how to replace the battery for your rain gauge from Famo. Thank you so much for watching.